Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Performative Drawing. Today we are going to do bonus drawing of how to draw a crocodile. And this bonus we are going to do on request of our viewers who asked us to do that. So, how to draw a crocodile? This question is complicated but also very simple. And we are going to provide the answer with green color, starting with simple greens or variety of greens of watercolors who have several greens. So we will take first neutral green and try to expose the crocodile body first, which is quite complicated and quite simple in the same time. And we must a bit meditate of green colors now. So let's take different types of green, but also some complementary to green, which can be violet or different types of even red to do a kind of contrast to this crocodile body. It is nice to have this attachment. So it is always a question how to refresh this crocodile. And I would suggest that this refreshment can be in the form of attaching some human parts to it. We can use hands with gloves, or we can use slippers or flip-flops on the feet of crocodile. Let's see how it works. Using yellowish and green. A bit of more of green. So now we are going to collect a bit of water before we start drawing it, to have a dry aspect of it, and also to see unpredicted forms that can emerge from this move, because we are focusing now on drawing. Okay, the nose of crocodile is very specific, the teeth as well. And this is also very specific to a crocodile. The back of him or her. We still don't know what kind of gender it has. So we decided here to have slippers and to have a kind of human attachment, which gives a kind of hybrid element to this crocodile. And the big long tail. of him or her. So, we are almost approaching to the end of this image. Now finishing with another slippers and a big long toe. So, let's see what we have now. We need few narrative elements in order to finish it and to expose more of its character. It looks quite friendly in a way. Which was our aim from the beginning. So how to draw a crocodile? I think we are happy to answer this question, and we hope that you will be satisfied with this image. Thank you very much, and join our next bonus clips and sessions of performative drawing.